Today I would like to talk about normal and abnormal vaginal discharge. Usually, a woman is expected to have a vaginal discharge. There are a lot of differences between a normal vaginal discharge and abnormal vaginal discharge. I will talk about the color. A normal vaginal discharge is clear and watery, but an abnormal vaginal discharge can be grayish, greenish, yellowish, even dark, blackish in color. Then a normal vaginal discharge is always smooth, watery, and it might be thick as well. But abnormal vaginal discharge are always very thick. They are very thick, they are clumpy, they are cheesy in nature. Then another subtopic that I would like to use in differentiating them is the accompanying symptoms. A normal vaginal discharge comes without any symptoms, while abnormal vaginal discharge comes with symptoms like pain, itching, burning sensation, painful urination, and the likes. There are some specific abnormal vaginal discharge which I would like every woman to take note and know by themselves. Especially the first one, yeast infection. Yeast infection comes with a very thick, whitish, and cheese-like discharges. That's very specific for yeast infection. Another one is bacterial vaginosis. Bacterial vaginosis is a form of infection in women that comes with a grayish white. At times it might be yellowish. Then it always comes with fish odor, foul smell, fishy smells. That's the way bacterial vaginosis is. Then we'll talk about trichomoniasis. That's another form of vaginal infection. Trichomoniasis are usually green in color. They are usually green in color, or at times it might be yellowish with foul odor. Then we'll talk about gonorrhea infection in women are usually yellowish, light yellowish with bad and foul smelling odor. So if a woman has any of these foul smelling odor, be it gray, greenish, dark, blackish, yellowish, which comes with some other symptoms like maybe painful menstrual, painful discharge, lower abdominal pain, frequent urination, and the like, the person should try to see a doctor as soon as possible.